Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn about VIM text editor in Kali Linux. So basically, um, this is just a basic fundamental of using Linux. VIM text editor. So first thing is we want to create a new VIM file. So we just have to type VIM uh, Linux tuto. So basically, this is the file named as Linux tutor. Um, so the first thing is once we enter the Vim text editor, we will have two type of mode, which is command mode and also normal mode. So command mode is when you hit the escape button and then you can do anything such as colon set number, for example. So it will the number will come out for each line. So this is the first line. So this. So basically we want to learn how to save the file, or maybe we will learn it later. So I will show you how to type something in the Vim text editor. So if we hit the I button, you can see there is insert on the bottom. So now we can type anything, such as this is the first line. So if we hit enter, basically when we enter, we insert the text. It's just like the normal text editor. So we can type anything. God is life. Um, this is Linux. So basically we can enter anything that we want. So as you can see, the number is increasing so that we can keep track of our code throughout the editor. So for instance, if we want to save the file, we just have to go to the command mode colon and W. So if we hit enter, basically the file will be saved or written. As you can see, there is a written type at the bottom of the window. So it is saved. And then if we want to quit the Vim text editor, we just have to hit the escape button to go into the command mode, and we go to com semi semicolon to colon. We hit Q and we are out of the text editor. So we enter the text editor again, Linux tuto. So we are in the text editor. So basically that is, if we want to save, we just have to colon W. So and if you want to quit out of the text editor, we just have to colon Q. So for instance, if you want to save and also exit at the same time, so we just have to type. So maybe I can insert some file, some text in editor. So if I want to save and exit at the same time, so hit the escape button to go into the command mode, colon WQ. So it will save and exit. We go into the text editor. So it is the same as the last time. Basically, I just like to put out the numbers so I can keep track of the code line. Okay, the next one is if you want to exit the text editor without make any changes, so we just have to enter the command mode Q, and there you go. We are out of the text editor without saving it. Alright, so the next one is I want to show you how to delete some lines. So basically, if we are in the insert mode, in the insert, so we can delete it like normal editor is. But if you have maybe some long text, so you just want to delete that particular line, code line. So maybe code 7 is too long. Maybe this code line is too long to delete it by myself. I am lazy, for example. So then, if this is me, alright. So if you want to delete maybe code text line 7, so we just have to go to command mode, which is we hit the escape button, and we just have to type dd. So there you go. Text line at the seventh line is deleted. So it is easier for you to delete it without have to hit the backspace button for a long time. But okay, for instance, if you want to undo the action, the delete, so you just have to, as always, you have to hit the escape button for command mode. So you you hit the U button for undo. So and then if you want to redo it, you just have to control R. So U is stand for undo, R control R stand for redo. So maybe if you want to redo it, alright. If it's the latest, the newest change, it cannot redo. So basically, you just have to undo or redo. So right, for example, hit the I button to go to insert, enter. Okay, the next one is alright. The next one is what I want to show you is how to find to search a specific word in our code. So maybe if in a real coding, there will be a lot of string, a lot of word, a lot of alphabet that is in the editor. So it is easier for us to just search it. For maybe we want to change it to another settings or so. So right, I just insert some. Um, I type hello world. This is my uni life. This is my life. So for example, if you want to search for life, for string life, we just have to go to the command mode, hit the escape button, slash slash, and type your what word you want to search for. So for example, I type life, Then I can search the latest live. So if I hit the enter button, the cursor will go to the first search string that they have found. But then if we want to go to the next live word, so we just have to hit the end button. So we will go to the next one and hit the end button again, it go to the next one. So if you want to go to the previous one, we just have to hit shift N. So we go to the previous one. So basically, uh, shift N is for the previous word, N is for the next word. Shift N stand for capital N, uppercase, and only N is for the lowercase n. So the next thing is, if you want to search for a specific word and then we want to replace it with another word, so we just have to go to the command mode, we hit the escape button, colon %s slash what word you want to change. For maybe I want to change the live word to um maybe usim, and then slash g. G stand for greedily, so I want to change all of the live word in the text editor to usim. If I hit the enter button, see all of the live word is changed to usim. And if I search for usim, we will go to every usim word. So if I hit the end to the next one. So basically this is the few things that are important for you to learn how to use VIM text editor. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.